In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Google Chrome Auto Sign-In. This feature is designed to streamline your browsing experience by automatically signing you into websites you're affiliated with through your Google account. However, it might not be ideal for everyone, especially if you prefer more control over your online privacy or share your computer with others. Let's get started on how you can disable this feature to maintain control over your account sign-ins. First, open your Google Chrome browser and navigate to the upper right corner of your screen. You will see 3 vertical dots. This is your Chrome menu button. Click on it. This action will reveal a drop-down menu where you will see various options for customizing and controlling Google Chrome. From these options, you want to select Settings. Once you click on Settings, you will be directed to a new page that allows you to adjust all sorts of browsing configurations to suit your needs. Here, look to the left side of your screen, where you'll find a list of categories. From this menu, you need to click on You and Google. When you do so, a new set of options will be displayed. These settings are specifically tailored to the various services and sync operations associated with your Google account within Chrome. The next step is to scroll down this list of options. You are searching for Sync and Google services. Once you find it, give it a click. Now you should be seeing a page filled with several options related to synchronization and managing your Google account's interactivity with Chrome. Take a slow scroll down this page, and you are looking for a specific setting called Allow Chrome Sign-In. This feature is precisely what we will be addressing to turn off the automatic sign-in capability. Once you locate the Allow Chrome Sign-In option, you'll notice that there's a toggle switch right next to it. This is what controls the auto sign-in functionality. If the toggle is currently colored, it means the feature is enabled. To disable it, simply click on the toggle switch. You'll see it change color to indicate that the feature is now turned off. This action will prevent Chrome from automatically signing you into websites using your Google credentials, ensuring that you have to enter your login information manually whenever necessary. Disabling auto sign-in can provide an additional layer of security, especially if you're using a shared device or want to maintain a higher level of privacy. I hope this walkthrough has helped you manage your account settings in a way that best suits your preferences. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and tutorials.